Hi there, thanks for checking out my video. What we have here is an Airline console stereo with a great mid-century modern look to it. I mean, it's absolutely gorgeous, made out of solid wood, all original finish, very beautiful. And Airline was made by Montgomery Ward back in the day, which the parts actually came from a company called The Voice of Music, which is a really great company when it comes to parts, stereo, and quality, and parts are really still available, so it's a good thing. What we have here is it actually will do AM, FM, and it has a Bluetooth receiver also in it. So I'll start out by showing you the FM.
Nelson Mandela.
My heroes are men and women, to whatever station in life they may be, who are committed to removing some of the most
Get like me. J's on my feet. J's on my feet. J's on my feet. Yes, sir. So get like me. I stay showing up. My kick game is a beast. I got 30 pair of J's that ain't even released. Food game 12. Space Jam. Tell me apart. You will.
Let's show you how the Bluetooth works. So what we have here is it should work with pretty much any Bluetooth wireless iPad, iPhone, Android kind of system that does music streaming. Yeah, this is coming right out of the Android phone here, right into there wirelessly. So you can like sit on your couch, play your tunes right through the tube radio of this. Isn't that amazing? Let's try something else.
The wheel of fortune goes spinning around. Will the arrow point my way? Will this be my day? Oh, wheel of fortune, please don't pass me by. Let me know the magic of a kiss and a sigh.
Okay, so that's the wireless Bluetooth end of it. I love it. It's just an amazing thing. Okay, so let me show you how we're going to get this record player moving here.
of a white Christmas, just like the ones I used to know, where the treetops glisten and children listen to hear sleigh bells in the snow. I'm dreaming of a white Christmas, with every Christmas card I write.
Okay. Oops. I don't know what that was about, but it goes back into its cradle. Okay, so there you have it. The Airline. It's an amazing, amazing stereo. You're totally going to be pleased with this. So make it yours today. Definitely. It's going to be available here on Etsy, and I can ship it out to you. Shipping is available to your door in some areas through a company called Bus Freighter, which will basically ride a Greyhound bus in the luggage compartment till it gets to your destination. Or if you can pick it up at your local station, it's about $68, and usually the quote to your door is about $133, and that would just have to be paid in a separate transaction. But I'll help you with all of that, so don't worry about it. Go ahead, make it yours, and put it in your living room. What a great Christmas present. Thanks for watching.